Who wants to be a millionaire? You? Me too. After all, who doesn't dream of hitting that $1 million mark? Well, you're in luck, because today's video on Luxo-Life, titled From Zero to Millionaire, 13 Strategies That Actually Work, is packed with proven strategies that could get you there. Did you know that 1,700 new millionaires are created every single day? Why shouldn't you be one of them? So, stay with us till the end. You might just find the exact strategy that will turn your goals into reality. Show Luxo-Life some love, and let's get started on your path to $1 million. 13. Write multiple books for steady royalties. Writing multiple books can create a lasting and reliable income stream that can lead to millionaire status over time. Publishing several titles means that even if each book sells modestly, they collectively generate consistent royalties. Books are unique in that they can earn money long after they're written, unlike many income sources that require constant promotion or effort. With each new release, your portfolio of books expands, providing you with more potential streams of revenue that can trickle in month after month, year after year. This approach to wealth building has a compounding effect. Each book you add to your collection increases the likelihood of attracting new readers, as well as encouraging readers to explore other titles you've published. The more books you have, more chances there are for your work to be discovered and purchased. As you continue adding titles, your earnings can build momentum, potentially leading to substantial wealth and helping you get closer to your financial goals. 12. Go viral on YouTube to unlock big revenue. Going viral on YouTube has become one of the most lucrative paths to wealth, as it allows you to reach large audiences quickly and opens doors to ad revenue and sponsorships. A single viral video can lead to a spike in views, subscribers, and income, but the real wealth-building potential comes from consistently creating content that keeps viewers coming back. The more frequently your videos capture attention, the more views you get, and the more revenue flows from YouTube's ad program. Beyond ad revenue, brands pay significant amounts to work with creators who have engaged audiences. As your channel grows, companies often approach you for sponsorship deals, allowing you to promote their products within your content. These partnerships can be extremely lucrative, especially as your viewership expands. Through consistent viral success and audience loyalty, your channel can become a reliable source of revenue, paving the way to millionaire status. 11. Build a personal brand as an influencer. Becoming an influencer and building a personal brand online can transform your reach into a powerful revenue stream. Influencers have shown that growing an online presence on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube allows you to connect with large audiences, which brands are eager to access. Once you've built a loyal following, you can monetize your influence through ads, sponsored posts, and brand partnerships, creating a solid income stream. Earning potential increases as your following grows. Platforms offer ad revenue programs based on views and engagement, and companies seek influencers to showcase their products, paying for the exposure. With consistent growth, influencers attract long-term brand deals and ambassador roles, providing steady income that can scale as their reach expands. Building a personal brand takes time, but once established, it can bring you closer to millionaire status through various income opportunities. 10. Start your own drop shipping empire. Starting a drop shipping business is an appealing way to build wealth because it allows you to operate without the typical inventory or overhead costs associated with traditional retail. Acting as a middleman between customers and suppliers, drop shippers focus on sales and marketing, while suppliers handle product storage and shipping. With low startup costs, you can reinvest profits to scale the business, which accelerates growth. In a drop shipping model, profit depends on how well you promote products that meet customer demand. By finding effective marketing strategies, you can drive traffic to your online store, resulting in higher sales and more income. This setup is scalable, allowing you to expand your product offerings without major logistical changes. With time, a successful drop shipping empire can become a consistent revenue source, bringing you closer to financial independence. 9. License your innovations to big players. Licensing innovations such as patents or trademarks to established companies can provide substantial passive income through royalty payments. When you license an invention, you allow a big company to produce, market, and distribute it while you earn a percentage of each sale. This approach eliminates the production risks and costs for you while still giving you a share of the profits. The real potential lies in scalability. If your product meets a market need, companies may offer substantial royalties to secure exclusive rights, and the more successful the licensed product, the higher your earnings. Licensing lets you leverage the resources and reach of larger companies, maximizing your innovation's profitability. By consistently finding marketable ideas, you can build a portfolio of licensed products that generate a steady income, moving you closer to millionaire status. 8. Work closely with a multimillionaire mentor. Working with a successful mentor is an invaluable strategy for building wealth, as it allows you to learn directly from someone who has already achieved financial success. A multimillionaire mentor offers insights and guidance on reaching similar goals. Through mentorship, you can avoid common pitfalls, make smarter decisions, and recognize income opportunities that might otherwise go unnoticed. Mentorship also provides access to a broader network of valuable connections. Successful mentors are often well-connected and may introduce you to partnerships, investments, or job opportunities. These connections can accelerate your career or business, allowing you to make significant financial progress faster. Learning from a mentor with real-life experience provides not only knowledge but also opportunities, increasing your potential for substantial wealth. 7. Develop an app with massive reach. Developing an app with a wide user base can open the door to substantial revenue through ads, in-app purchases, and subscriptions. Apps that attract millions of users often profit by displaying ads or offering paid features, which can quickly accumulate to large sums if users are highly engaged. The more popular the app becomes, the more advertisers will want to reach its audience, increasing your income. Additional revenue streams, such as subscriptions and in-app purchases, can further boost earnings. By providing valuable features or content within the app, you can encourage users to spend on upgrades, generating income directly. With a diverse income model, an app with a large following can create a reliable source of wealth, leading you toward millionaire status. 6. Launch a subscription service with recurring revenue. Starting a subscription service can build wealth through a reliable and scalable income model. When subscribers pay a monthly or yearly fee, your revenue becomes predictable, giving you the stability to expand. For example, 1,000 subscribers paying $83 monthly can bring in over $80,000 per month, creating a steady foundation for financial growth. Recurring revenue allows you to focus on retaining customers rather than constantly seeking new ones. As your subscriber base grows, your income increases, and with each retained subscriber, your business gains stability. This approach helps you accumulate consistent revenue and provides a straightforward path to wealth, especially as you add more features or services to keep subscribers engaged. 5. Save aggressively and invest in index funds. Aggressive saving combined with investing in index funds can lead to significant financial growth. Index funds, which track the market, offer low fees and steady growth, making them ideal for long-term wealth accumulation. By saving regularly and putting money into these funds, you allow compound interest to amplify your savings over time. Compound interest is the real power behind this strategy. As your investments grow, the returns you earn get reinvested, helping your wealth build faster each year. This method may not offer instant riches, but with patience and consistency, it can result in substantial wealth accumulation and serve as a reliable path to becoming a millionaire. 4. Start and scale a small business. Starting a small business that addresses a real need is a highly effective way to generate wealth. By solving genuine problems, your business attracts customers, allowing it to grow naturally. As more people find value in your offerings, your revenue increases, setting you on a path toward financial success. With a business, you control your financial future. Unlike a fixed salary, your income potential rises with the business's success. Reinvesting profits into growth creates a cycle of expansion, allowing you to reach new customers and increase earnings. Over time, a small business can build substantial wealth, especially if you manage it well and scale effectively. 3. Invest in a franchise and maximize its success. Buying a franchise provides a way to build wealth using an established business model. Franchises come with brand recognition and customer trust, giving you a solid foundation to start generating revenue more quickly. With support from the franchisor, you can implement proven practices, reducing startup risks. Franchises often have loyal customers, which can accelerate growth and revenue. Familiarity with the brand means customers are more likely to visit your location, allowing for faster profitability. As you manage the franchise effectively, your income grows, and expanding into additional locations can further increase earnings, putting you on a reliable path to substantial wealth. 2. Buy, flip, repeat for steady profits. The buy, flip, repeat model involves purchasing undervalued assets, improving them, and reselling for profit, creating steady income. This strategy works well with real estate, where you can buy properties, add value through renovations, and sell at a higher price, increasing your capital with each flip. Each successful flip allows you to reinvest in future projects, compounding your earnings over time. Unlike other investments, flipping provides quicker returns, enabling continuous cash flow. This strategy's repeatable nature makes it a solid path toward wealth accumulation, especially as your portfolio grows, steadily moving you closer to millionaire status. 1. Rise to the top 1% in a lucrative field. Rising to the top 1% in a high-demand field can significantly increase your income potential. Specializing in a lucrative profession allows you to command higher pay as an expert, creating a stable path toward wealth. By dedicating yourself to mastery, you position yourself as indispensable, making it easier to secure high-paying roles and career growth. High-demand fields like medicine, law, and technology reward top professionals handsomely as companies pay premiums for their expertise. Reaching this level offers income stability and greater negotiating power, helping you shape your financial future. For those willing to invest in their skills and pursue excellence, rising to the top 1% provides a straightforward and reliable route to substantial wealth. And there you have it, 13 strategies that can truly set you on the path to becoming a millionaire. Let us know in the comments which strategy you're currently working on or which one you're excited to try. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with others who could benefit. If you're new to Luxo-Life, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, Luxo lovers.